So today we are going to be learning how to make a magic circle, or a magic ring as it is sometimes called. So as an example, I've got this little guy here that I made, this tiny little baby Yoda, and this is basically the top of his head. This is what a magic ring looks like. So he started using one. You can see it's nice and tight, there's no hole, it's very flat, there's no lumps or bumps, which is something that you would get if you were starting with a series of chain stitches. So what we do is we take our hook and our yarn, and we're going to lay the end of our yarn across the palm of our hand. We're then going to use our thumb to hold it down, and then we take the ball end of our yarn, we wrap it around our first two fingers, come across a diagonal and then straight down the back. Okay, and then I'm going to use my thumb and my ring finger here to hold these bits of yarn in place. So when I flip my hand over, I've got two straight lines of yarn. I'm going to place my hook under the first, catch the second and pull it through, and then I'm going to catch that first one again, and I'm going to pull it through the loop of my hook. Okay, and that is what makes our ring. So now all we need to do to continue is just begin crocheting away. And then once we have a suitable amount of stitches for whatever it is you're making, just take, I'll show you, we can just pull on the tail, and that tightens up our magic circle. So there you have it. That is our very simple tutorial on how to make a magic circle. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I've got a whole bunch of tutorials for things that would be suitable to make with one of these, so feel free to give one a go.